So from this paper, question number 4, the first one is use the remainder theorem to factorize the following expression. So this is the cubic. So x power 3 minus 2x square minus 29x minus 42. That means you will get the 3 factors. So highest power is 3. So degree of this polynomial is 3. So you will get the 3 factors. First of all, we will find one of the factor by trial and error method. Just will substitute in the place of x one value. Then if the value becomes 0, then there is a factor. So let us take the given expression is f of x. So f of x is equals to, let us take this x cube minus 2x square minus 29x minus 42. Okay, now let us, if you take 1, if it is become 0 or not. So if I take 1 cube is 1 minus 2 minus 29 minus 42. So this is non-zero. Okay, let me text with the plus 1 minus 1 plus 2 minus 2. That we have to check. Now let f of taking minus 2. So already I checked with other numbers. You check with plus 1 minus 1 plus 2 minus 2 like that. So with minus 2 will get 0. Just if you substitute values in the place of x, minus 2. So minus 2 cube and minus 2 into minus 2 square minus 29 into minus 2 minus 42. So everything is negatives are there, so you should take the negative number. Then we will simplify this. Then we will get the value minus 2 power 3, that is minus 8. Minus 2 square is 4 and 4 into minus 2 is minus 8 again. Now again minus to minus plus 29 2 is 58 and minus 42. Yes, minus 8 minus 8 minus 42 is minus 58. Minus 58 plus 58, then value is 0, right? So we got the 0. Then x plus 2 is a factor because f of minus 2 we got 0. Then from that x plus 2 is a factor. Is a factor of f of x. Is a factor of f of x. Now we will take the by factor theorem. So if you use the factor theorem, we will divide with x plus 2 the given function. That is x cube. So by factor theorem, we need to use x cube minus 2x square minus 29x minus 42. So we divide with x plus 2 because x plus 2 is the factor for this. Now we know the division factor theorem. X and x cube. X into x square is x cube. So write x square here. Take the x square and multiply this total. That is x cube plus 2x square. Subtract this. Change the sign, minus minus, get cancelled. Minus 2x square is minus 4x square, and next to 2 terms. Minus 29x. Okay, take one term. Now plus first term is x. It is minus 4x square. So to get minus 4x square, you should multiply with minus 4x. Okay, minus 4x into x is minus 4x square, and minus 4x into 2 is minus 8x. You just change the sign. Minus is plus, minus is plus, we cancel. Minus 29 plus 8, so minus 21x, and minus 42 is next term, take down. Now x is the first term, here minus 21x is the first term in this. So x into dash is minus 21x, that should be here. That is minus 21. So minus 21 into x is minus 21x and minus 42. Okay, minus 22 plus 2 is minus 42. Change the sign, you get cancel both, so you got the 0. So if you get the 0, then x square minus 4x minus 21 is a factor. Then we can get by dividing. Finally we got f of x is equals to x plus 2, and by dividing we got again one more is x square minus 4x minus 21. Okay, we take this value in the place of this quotient, then that we can factorize. Therefore this is x plus 2. Now from x square minus 4x minus 21 is factorized. So x square minus 7x plus 3x. Minus 7 plus 3 is minus 4. Minus 7 3 is a minus 21. So according to that, then x plus 2. Take x common, x minus 7 plus 3 common, x minus 7. Then finally we have the factors x plus 2 and one is x minus 7 and x plus 3 from this. So these are the three factors, x plus 2, x minus 7 and x plus 3. Right? You can solve this in this way. And see the next one. From mensuration, a spherical copper ball of diameter 9 centimeters. So spherical copper ball, diameter is 9 centimeters, is melted and drawn into a wire. The diameter whose thickness is 2 millimeters. Find the length of the wire in meters. Okay, let's take this sum. So diameter is 9 centimeters, means radius is 9 by 2 centimeters. So first let us find the volume of this copper ball. This is a spherical ball. So we'll take this. So this one is melted and recast into the length of some wire. So for this radius is given. So this you can take some spherical shape. From here to here is 9 by 2 centimeters. So from the spherical ball, the radius is 9 by 2 centimeters and volume. So volume of this spherical shape, spherical ball. Volume of the sphere formula, that is 4 by 3 pi r cube. So 4 by 3 pi and r is 9 by 2 cube power 3. Okay, this is the volume. Now from this they made a cylindrical wire. Okay, this is regarding spherical ball and cylindrical wire radius. So cylindrical wire means this is a cylindrical shape. Cylinder formula we apply. From this radius is equals to 1 millimeters radius. If you convert into centimeters, 1 by 10 centimeters. Okay. Because according to the problem, they asked find the length of the wire in meters. Let us take into centimeters because this spherical is in centimeters. Then this is the radius 1 by 10. So let length is equals to x meters. That means 100x centimeters. Okay. We need to find it in meters. So I am taking x in x meters. That is equal to 100x centimeters length. Now according to the question, so volume of the spherical ball. So according to the question, then pi into here, if you take the cylinder volume of the cylinder is pi r square h, right? So pi r square h. This is the volume of the cylinder. So in the place of h only is nothing but height. So there is a length. So if you apply that, 1 by 10 is the radius. So pi r square 1 by 10 pi r square h. So h is the length. That is 100x. That should be equals to volume of the spherical ball. That is 4 by 3 pi 9 by 2 cube. That's it. This if we simplify, we will get the x value. Now from this we can cancel some terms. Pi get cancelled from both sides. And remaining if we simplify, 1 by 10 whole square. So 1 by 100 into 100x is equals to 4 by 3 into 9 by 2 whole cube. So 9 by 2 into 9 by 2 into 9 by 2 3 times. 100 get cancelled here. Then x is equals to, we cancel 3 1s are 3, 3s are 9. And 2 is 4. It was a 4, 4 4s. Then 3 into 9 by 2. That is finally you get 121.5 meters because divided by 2 is. So length of the wire is 121.5. Just one simplification. Then length of the wire is equals to 121.5 meters because x are taken in the form of meters. Okay, you can solve in this way this. And next one, construct a triangle ABC in which BC is 5 centimeters, angle A is 60 degrees, altitude is AD, that is 4 centimeters, and draw it in circumcircle. So constructional in this from the same channel, you can see the construction geometrical construction videos. Just type by Newton from the same channel, come circle, and construction of triangle. So you'll get the videos. You can see directly from that. So I'm not explaining that. So these construction videos are available in the same channel. You can find out this question from that. Okay. Then let us see the next question. Question number 5. We'll see now.